When plasma is mentioned, I think most of us probably think of the fluid that is flowing within our veins. It carries the components of the blood for the circulatory and immune system to function properly. However, there is a far more abundant substance that goes by the same name right in our universe. In physics, plasma is considered a sort of fourth state of matter, and it is the most common by mass and volume. One could almost think of this state as being quite similar to the plasma within our bodies. This phase, while it is technically a gas, has the properties of liquid, and it carries components like nuclei and electrons. The plasma state is achieved once a gas has received enough energy to ionize the atoms that comprise it, meaning the electrons are liberated from the nuclei. Whether the plasma is considered cold or hot depends nothing on the temperature, but instead refers to whether the gas is partially ionized or fully ionized. Since the electrons are unbound from their respective nuclei, this means that the phase is electrically conductive. As the plasma flows like a liquid, it creates an electromagnetic field. This field results in the bulk movement of particles, which creates an overall general behavior that dominates over the forces governing gaseous movements. All plasmas are excellent conductors and are able to generate electric fields. However, those that are creating a magnetic field strong enough to influence its behavior are said to be magnetized. Despite plasma just being an energetic gas with quasi-liquid properties, electrical conductivity, and special interactions, we decided to name it a new state anyway. We've harnessed their power for low-thrust ion drives that propel our probes to new planets. We've also created a machine here on Earth that allows us to study the innermost workings of stars, and plasma exists right above our heads, in the atmosphere. So keep this in mind next week as we explore the lurking tubular behemoth that is right above our heads. As always, if you have any questions or require clarification for any part of this video, please leave me a comment below, contact me on social media, or send me an email, and we can talk it out and maybe I'll produce a video on it. Thank you for joining me, and know that you are incredible. And please stay safe. Until next time, my witchlings, bye!